In this video, I'll show you how to make vertical text in Canva. So this video is a step-by-step tutorial video. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now at first, you need to be logged into your Canva account, right? If you don't have a Canva profile account, I will attach the link in this video description, so ensure you check it out and start creating and working out things for yourself here on Canva. So we are going to make a vertical text right here in Canva, and a vertical text is a text that is in a straight line, right? So if it's written this way, this is basically a horizontal way, right? So we're going to make it vertical. We're going to make it to look or to be in a straight line. So let's say I want to use the HowTo Edu for this tutorial, HowTo Edu. So once I've typed this, what I need to do now, once I've typed this, you're going to use your enter button on your PC or your MacBook. So you'd come on here, you'd click the enter, come on here, click the enter, come on here. So this is the HowTo Edu. It's currently in a vertical style. So this is basically how you can make a vertical text here in Canva. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.